Don't blink. What you're about to see is the raw power of modern logging technology.
Watching the Ponzi H7 prove that in action is absolutely captivating. It handles every type of powerful precision, executing each move like part of a masterful routine. Every motion is smooth, deliberate, and exact, like a mechanical ballet deep in the forest. Combining brute force with surgical accuracy, this machine is a true engineering masterpiece. Hey there, subscribe to my channel. A rubber-tired wheel loader strains forward, pulling a fully loaded Volvo truck carrying over 40,000 pounds of timber up a slope as slick as grease. Behind, an excavator roars, pushing with full force, forming a steel pincher maneuver that drives the truck upward, foot by foot. The three iron beasts move in perfect sync, engines screaming, tires and tracks tearing through the mud. The convoy surges like a giant mechanical creature, rising from the earth. A heart-pounding hill climb, where raw power and coordination create a mechanical moment you simply can't avoid. That's what I call next level skill. The T40 is handling the woods like a champ, right up there with the MTZ-82. But let's be real, it's the operator stealing the show. Every motion, precision, every turn, confidence. The bright red Morbark M20 are with chipper roars to life at the logging yard, standing out like a steel predator amidst the natural surroundings. Its bold red paint gleams under the light, symbolizing strength and durability. Massive round logs are fed into a 10-feet shield, instantly grabbed and pulled inward. The grinding drum spins up with a deep growl, tearing each log apart with ruthless efficiency. Hail with chips blast from the discharge shield in a high-pressure stream, flying through the air and raining down at the towering piles. Every motion of the machine pulses with power, relentless, precise, and unwavering. A deep, rumbling growl pierces the poised air as the Deutz FHR 4.4 engine roars to life, unleashing raw mechanical power with a Heisman 8400, a steel beast forged for forestry warfare. On damp, earth-littered ground, the machine stands up a modern-day siege engine, its heavy frame trembling as the hydraulic system clamps down on the first massive tree trunk. The hydraulic arm descends, gripping a log as thick as a grown man's thigh. With mechanical precision, it lifts the timber effortlessly and flings it toward the gaping maw of the intake ship. The moment the log's end touches the chipping drop, the blades erupt into a saboteur. The furious slices through the air like a blade of flesh. Of the drum is a violent explosion of motion. Earth, sawdust, and matrix blast out in every direction, like the storm's sparkles. The chipper devours the log with ruthless efficiency, showing no mercy, like a hungry predator tearing through its prey. Under the blazing sun, the gears, rollers, and mechanisms of the Heiser have moved in precise, relentless form. The heartbeat of the machine designed to shatter solid, boom. Uniform ships, ready to be transformed into pure energy. smart facilities automate feed control, temperature monitoring, and output sampling, ensuring quality and machine health in real time. And here's what really sets this machine apart. It doesn't need perfect wood. It thrives on difficult, dirty, inconsistent input, the kind of material other machines jam on. If you're processing massive volumes of material and can't afford downtime, this is your workhorse. The homemade lot splitter features a simple yet highly effective design, with a sharp horizontal cutting blade mounted on a sturdy steel frame. Large rods are placed on the support bed, and then forcefully pushed straight into the horizontal cutting blade. As the log contacts the blade, hydraulic or mechanical pressure immediately activates, causing the blade to quickly and decisively split or slice the log into smaller pieces. The metallic clang against the wood rings clearly, blending with the cracking sounds of the split wood, creating the characteristic noise of an efficient manual splitter, where chips fall neatly without scattering, keeping the workspace clean and safe. The operator carefully controls the pushing lever, ensuring each cut is precise and effective. Before us is the high-capacity wood chipper, Bandit 21XP, one of the leading machines in the wood processing industry. It features a wide feed opening, allowing it to handle large logs with diameters over 21 inches. A powerful hydraulic steel arm grips and feeds the log into the chipper drum. Inside, a high-speed rotating drum equipped with blades quickly pulverizes the logs into wood chips. The shredded wood chips are expelled through the discharge chute, ready for transport or recycling. With its robust build, easy operation, and continuous performance, the Bandit 21XP is an ideal choice for logging companies, green waste processors, and urban tree services. This is power and efficiency at your fingertips. The Bandit 21XP, your partner in every green project. The hydraulic thumb grapple mounted on the excavator arm lunges at the massive tree stump like the claw of a wild beast. With every brutal twist and pull, thick roots snap with cracking sounds, and chunks of earth are hurled into the air like mini explosions. Dirt flies, roots scream. No chainsaws, no explosives, just raw hydraulic power. In seconds, decades of nature's work are torn from the ground, like a defeated monster dragged up beneath the grip of steel claws. Ready for a wild ride? The NBR 800, mounted on a Hitachi excavator, breaks through stumps with brute force. With every spin of its rounded head, it chews up dense wood, turning a tough job into a display of raw efficiency and power. When the job calls for fast, aggressive clearing, you bring in the disc mulcher. Mounted on a wheel loader, this setup combines brute force with mobility. The spinning disc reaches full RPM in seconds, slicing through brush, vines and trees up to 8 inches thick. Unlike drum mulchers, disc systems use speed and impact, lodging debris, pulverizing trunks, and flattening terrain in one pass. It's not for finesse, it's for maximum ground coverage, fast turnaround, and tough vegetation. The wheel loader provides stability on uneven terrain, and articulation makes it easy to maneuver around structures, poles, or steep inclines. Operators can angle the head, engage from the side, or drop straight into dense clusters, but make no mistakes, this machine demands respect. The force, the speed, the debris, it's all intense. That's why you suit up. Heavy-duty glass, guards, and distance protocols for clearing storm-damaged fire lines, overgrown fields, and reclaimed land. The disc mulcher on a wheel loader is the go-to. It's fast, it's fierce, it's built for battle. This is disc-based brush obliteration. A lumberjack steps into the forest, armed with the powerful steel MS-362 chainsaw. With calm precision, he begins to cut into the tree's trunk. The roar of the engine echoes through the woods as sawdust flies. Each move is skillful, ensuring the tree falls safely in the planned direction. This is the strength and mastery of a seasoned professional at work. McAllister MBOS 3000 AT, 8 tons of splitting force in every stroke. Sunlight falls over the woodyard where a man stands, arms wrapped around a heavy oak log. With steady steps, he places the log onto the base of the McAllister MBOS 3000 AT, a solid, dark gray machine, its polished steel ram and V-shaped splitting wedge gleaming with quiet authority. He pulls the control lever. Instantly, the 8-ton hydraulic ram begins its forward push, pressing the log firmly into the wedge. The oak lets out a sharp crack, then splits cleanly, first in 2, then in 4, each split symmetrical, strong, and satisfying. The machine does a roar, it hums and hisses, then falls silent as the task is done. Again, the man bends down, wraps his arms around another log. Together, man and machine form a rhythm, turning dense oak into stacks of precise firewood blocks. Oh.